Yeah, added sugar is interesting because the added sugar separate line item on the nutrition facts label wasn't part of the original upgrade. That came later. We call that the 2016. And I
Hmm.
remember when it was proposed, there was definitely pushback from industry, and there was all this stuff about the body can't tell the difference between an added sugar or a natural sugar. But I think it's important because we have learned a lot, and we do learn as we go along. During the 1980s, the focus was a lot on fat and cholesterol. We had sugar substitutes, but in finished food products, a lot of the focus was on lowering fat and cholesterol and saturated fatty acids, and that's where the claims were. I believe what's happened is we've moved forward after focusing on that, and it's sort of like a drill down. And
Hmm.
we discover when you drill down into another level, here's another variable or factor in our health issues that we need to address. And it does appear to be that added sugars, which FDA defines, they have a definition about what an added sugar is and what it
Hmm.
isn't.
Yep.
So, for example, if you add a concentrated fruit juice to up the sweetening and you don't add enough water to reconstitute it back to single strength, it can be considered an added
Added
sugar.
sugar. Yep.
And they have a guidance on that. And one of the things I think is kind of odd about the added sugar declaration on the nutrition facts panel is it has a percent daily value, but the total sugars doesn't.
Yeah.
So a little bit weird,
Yeah.
but it's difficult to say this is how much sugar or added sugar you should get a day,
Hmm.
especially since sugars are a part of carbohydrates. And there's a difference between a sugar, an added sugar, and a complex carb.
Hmm.
So that can all get, get a little bit, it can get kind of complicated to tease out the variables that you're trying
Yeah.
to approach.